The earth will be protected in silence, and the people of inner earth will take over for a brief period of time until the enlightened. Interdimensional beings of space appear. A holographic, completely satisfied reality will begin. The worlds will break up in, never seen by using a human or skilled by using any living being on this planet. Every day, the birds will fall from the sky and mountain chains, which have never seen before, will start to appear from the oceans. Unprepared, the ones who resist could be frozen in worry, pleading for assist to understand this event. That is why many of you are right here. You are those who choose to leap forward with the guardians of the worlds. Also, the Divine has a set of light warriors who are, by means of design, supposed to be the healers for the upcoming times. Their healing skills are new earth based, and they need to be initiated in order for their healing capacities come online. In this collecting, the Divine will activate those divinely designed new world healers in order that they may be the pioneers for the planet and humanity. The entirety will stop that you know so far, and for the ones whom neither believe not serve the light, everything will remain the same. Those who are simply senseless slaves to the darkish forces will continue the fact of slow demise. That means they will continue to be and continue to live in a 3D vibration. The veil between the worlds may be left, and everyone will discover themselves precisely wherein they choose to be. Time may be bent and discarded till the timeless beings is achieved. The divine declaration of thousands of years will be introduced, and nothing could be the same within the night as it become in the morning. In area time, the forces of light will come out and can be seen to all who see and audible to all who pay attention. This will be the truth to people who are already vibrationally open. The world change will appear, and all the underground facilities and safeguard put in place to stop the elite will no longer be reached.